When the weatherman says the temperature's really about to get cold, you have to be concerned with frozen pipes, which can lead to burst pipes. But there's a few things you can do to prevent that from happening. First of all, if you have any sinks on an outside wall, like a kitchen or a bath, make sure you open up those cabinets to allow the heated air to circulate inside those cabinets. Also, make sure you leave a little water dripping on one of your faucets so that water continues moving through those water lines. And the outside hose bibs, you can use an insulated cover to cover all of those up to prevent any problem with them. Now, the very best thing you can do if your house is up on piers like this is to insulate all the water pipes underneath, and that's what Alan and I are about to tackle. Any kind of work under a house is dirty, but these disposable crawl suits make it a little less miserable. All right, let's give this a try. It won't be too bad. Heck, there's plastic under here. This is great. Yeah. I don't like this view back here, so it can move along.
Sorry about that. Check this out, Danny, right here.
What is it?
I think this is, here's your some supplies going into the house right here.
Yeah,
there.
That'd be good.
All right.
Let's see, sit up in here. I like these lights right here, it's pretty cool. All right, let's see. You got the scissors?
I do.
All right there. Let it go down into the ground a little bit. And then that was just about right for the other side.